Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete bulk emails in Yahoo Mail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and select up at the top left. There's a little empty box. Go ahead and left click inside of there. That'll check mark all conversations on this page. However, you can also select all the messages in the inbox as well by selecting that option as well. So it gives you a bulk option essentially. And then if you wanted to delete all of them, you would select the select all option. And then you would select delete. Again, you can see how many emails are going to be deleted over here. You would select delete and then it would end up in your trash folder. Please keep in mind, I'm not going to actually delete all of them in my case, but you would just, again, select delete. Are you sure you want to remove all of these conversations to the trash? 1,235 of them to be exact is what it says here. You would select OK, and that's pretty much it. You can clear out your trash once you're done emptying out your inbox. And like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.